Hello everybody, this is Marta here on YouTube. Today I have my December wrap up for all of you guys. Today I'm very excited. I have 8 books, quite a lot of books. It's a good amount of books for a month. And I am very excited because I loved all of the books that I read and I need to calm down. So just side note, if you guys see me wearing the same shirt in the few videos that are coming or the last few videos that you've seen, it's probably because I filmed all of them in the same day. My family right now is away and I had to stay because I got sick. My stomach got sick. And so I stayed at home and I was just like, you know what, this is the time to film. So I'm not gonna change my shirt for videos. I think that's just a waste. But anyway, moving on, let's get started with our wrap up. So the first book that I have right here is The Perfect Stranger. This is by Marya Zamora. There is a review coming up about this book and All the Missing Girls. Both of them are by Marya Zamora. So I think I will be posting that the first week of January. But anyway, I love this book. I think I give it a 5 out of 5 stars in Goodreads. I'm not sure. I gotta look that up. But yeah, I'm very excited about this book. This book was amazing. It's definitely a read that will keep you on your toes the whole time because it was a very intense book. So I am very excited about it. So I haven't done a review on Goodreads. I thought I did, but I didn't. I did All the Missing Girls. But anyway, I love this book. I hope you guys have the chance to read it. If you do, please let me know what you think of it because I seriously, I love it. But yeah, this is the first book that I read. Then I have 2 books and right now I'm reading the 3rd book, so I think I'm probably gonna finish it before January. I hope I will. But anyway, the other 2 books that I have right here are by Mary Lou. This is The Young Elite and this is The Rose Society. So basically I read them in like 2 days, both of them. Each of them 2 days, so 4 days. They are so good. I couldn't stop reading them. I literally had to stop myself from reading so I could rest because I was really feeling a headache. But I love these books. Honestly, they are so intense. The way everything unfolds, it's pretty much a villain in the making type of book. So I'm very excited about this. The Midnight Star is the one that I'm reading right now. If you guys haven't read them, definitely go pick them up because they're amazing. Mary Lou always knows how to Mary Lou always knows how to get your attention and really knows how to describe people fighting, so I really love that. But yeah, I'm starting The Midnight Star today, so I'm very excited about that. And last but not least, I have the complete series of The Selection. So I read these 3 books, The Selection, The Elite, and The One, I think at the end in the middle of November maybe or something like that, and I didn't put it in the wrap up because I wanted to wait for the other 2 books. But I think these 3 are my favorite ones simply because I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, simply because the character itself, America, is a badass. She's a badass. I really like her. So I love this series. Definitely one of my favorite series. It's just kind of like every princess and every girl wants to be a princess, but then she comes in and she's like, ah, F you. So I really like that. And then I got the last 2, which are The Heir and The Crown. These are basically the same thing, just from the daughter of the 2 people that fell in love in The Selection. But The Heir and The Crown, I think again the character is a badass again. She is incredible. She figures out a way to make everybody happy, and I'm just very excited about this. The only thing I didn't like, I wanted her to be with somebody else, not with the guy she actually ended up with. And I think it was a nice, like, I don't like the couple itself, but I think it was a pretty good twist. I wasn't expecting it. And then when it happened, I was like, oh my god, all the signs were there. So I really like this. So yeah, those, I'm excited about those. So that's basically all the books that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!